If you have connected some external HDMI devices to your Pioneer Xumo TV, such as a gaming console or a TV box, and you want to know how you can switch between them quickly with or without using the Xumo TV remote, then here's all 5 different ways to switch or change inputs to HDMI 1, 2, 3 or any other inputs with or without remote on your Pioneer Xumo TV. The first and most common way to switch HDMI input is from the home screen. You'll just need to go down to Recent Inputs, and here you'll find all the inputs of your TV along with the HDMI inputs. You can also press the input button on your Xumo TV remote, and this will bring you down to the same row. Now just keep the input highlighted or press OK on your remote to switch to that input. The third way to switch these inputs and also customize them, you'll need to open the settings panel and from the list find antenna and input. Here you'll see all your TV's input, including the HDMI ports. It will also say which device it's connected to, and the reason why you should use the settings to access the inputs is when you want to change the HDMI compatibility mode, and also if you want to rename your input and its logo. The fourth and the most smartest way to change inputs on your Pioneer Xumo TV is by using voice commands. You just need to press the microphone button on your Xumo TV remote and just say the input name. For example, I'm gonna say HDMI 3. And your Pioneer Xumo TV will switch to that input immediately. Now for the fifth way to change the HDMI input, which you can follow if you don't have your Xumo TV remote. For this method, you'll just need to find the power button on your Pioneer Xumo TV. This may be at the bottom or at any of the sides of your TV. In our case, it's at the left. So after you find the power button, press once on it and you'll see the inputs menu will pop up at the right side of the screen. Now you'll need to cycle between these options by short pressing the power button once again, and when your desired input is highlighted, just wait a moment and your TV will switch to it. So these are all the ways to change inputs on your Pioneer Xumo TV, whether you have the remote or not. If you found this helpful, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to support us, and I'll see you in the next one.